My name is Diter Mamel, and this is an exhibition called Lifeline, and it's an exhibition about my family story, because my mother was born here in Cacharevo. This is the reason to be here and to show you my family story, but it's not just a story about us, about our family. It's a story about you and about your life, because everybody has to move to somewhere. For me, it's a totally emotional exhibition because of the background of my family. My mother will come this Friday to open the exhibition with us, and it's her first time after 80 years.